Music can help others understand how you feel about an interest you care about. Maybe you want the audience to feel good or encouraged about an activity or item that makes you happy. Maybe you want the audience to feel curious or intrigued about an idea or cause you care about. You get to set that feeling by adding music to your project. Start by adding a new sprite. There are lots of ways to add sound to your project. You can upload your own music, record a sound, or select a sound from the Scratch library. When picking a sound from the Scratch Music Library, explore the Loops category. It has short pieces of music you can add to your program. Use the Play Sound Until Done block to play the sound from beginning to end. Great! Add a When This Sprite Clicked event to program the music to start when your character is clicked. Cool! Maybe your project needs more than one sound. Add different music to customize your project.